Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In this session, we focus on Rule 9 of the COLREGs, which outlines the specific and vital procedures for navigating in narrow channels or fairways. This rule is designed to ensure orderly traffic flow in confined waters where space to maneuver is limited and the risk of grounding or collision is significantly higher. The first and most fundamental instruction of Rule 9 is that a vessel proceeding along the course of a narrow channel or fairway shall keep as near to the outer limit of the channel or fairway, which lies on her starboard side, as is safe and practicable. In simple terms, this means you should always drive on the right side of the channel, just like on a road, to allow oncoming traffic to pass safely on your port side. The rule also places specific restrictions on smaller vessels, stating that a vessel of less than 20 meters in length, or a sailing vessel, shall not impede the passage of a vessel which can safely navigate only within a narrow channel or fairway. This is a crucial safety measure because large deep draft vessels have very limited options for maneuvering and cannot easily leave the deep water channel without running aground. Similarly, a vessel engaged in fishing must not impede the passage of any other vessel navigating within a narrow channel or fairway. Rule 9 also addresses the dangerous practice of crossing a channel. It states that a vessel shall not cross a narrow channel or fairway if such crossing impedes the passage of a vessel which can safely navigate only within such channel or fairway. If you are crossing and are in doubt about the intentions of the following vessel, you may use the sound signal of at least 5 short and rapid blasts on the whistle to indicate your concern. In situations where overtaking is possible, the rule specifies that in a narrow channel or fairway, when overtaking can take place only if the vessel to be overtaken has to take action to permit safe passing, the vessel intending to overtake shall indicate her intention by sounding the appropriate signal on the whistle. If the vessel to be overtaken is in agreement, she shall sound the prescribed signal and take steps to permit safe passing. Another critical part of Rule 9 covers blind bends. When a vessel is approaching a bend or an area of a narrow channel or fairway where other vessels may be obscured by an intervening obstruction, she shall navigate with particular alertness and caution and shall sound a prolonged blast on her whistle. Any approaching vessel within hearing distance should respond with a similar prolonged blast. Finally, Rule 9 advises that any vessel shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid anchoring in a narrow channel. By following these strict guidelines, mariners can ensure that movement through restricted waterways remains predictable and safe for everyone from the smallest boat to the largest commercial ship. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.